So we are now at the populations via sample, I think. So we finished the constructs, and we said a construct is anything is difficult to measure because it can be defined and measured in many ways. And there is something other than that is called the operational definition of a construct, which is the unit of measurement we are using for constructs. Okay, we are using for construct, and once operationally defined something, it's no longer a construct. For example, a volume is a construct. We know volume is a construct because it's a space. It's something, or something that it's this. Sorry, it's the space. Something something takes up, but we haven't defined how we are measuring the space. But if we say volume is in a liters, then this would not be a construct, because now it is operationally defined. For example, also minutes is already operationally defined. There is no ambiguity in what we are measuring. So we have the construct is anything that is difficult to measure because it can be because it can be defined and measures in many ways. So if we can measure something in many ways, there is no specific way to measure it, we call it a construct. And the operational define of that construct is when we decide which one of these many ways we will be using. So if we decide which one, it will not be no longer construct because it will not fit the definition. It's like the liters and the volume. The volume can be measured in many ways. But if we say a specific unit we will be using in this measurement, it will no longer construct. So population, sample, and sample. Population and sample. Populations and samples. Population. The population is all individuals in a group. The sample is the sum, or is some of the individuals in the group. Next, we will be hitting the parameters vs static. static, various statistic, a parameter. Wait, relation. Make it a little smaller, maybe 50. Okay, leave it at 70 as it was. It's better. So parameter with statics. Okay. So parameters parameter defined or defines a characteristic characteristic of the population of the population. Whereas this defines a of the sample. So, for example, the mean of a population is defined with a sample. Okay, stop a little.